Let's take a look at the code now and what steps you need to follow in order to get your ESP01 acting as a relay. Firstly, you need to set up Telegram on your phone if you don't already have it, and then next you need to set up the code. So these are the steps that you would need to follow for your Telegram setup. Once you download Telegram onto your smartphone, you need to then create a bot, and just remember to record the token ID. You then need to create a new group. You add the bot to that group. Next, get the chat ID for that group and then download the code. So how do you create a bot on Telegram? You need to ask botfather, who is a bot himself, and he issues new bots and he controls the bot creation. So in order to do that, send a message to botfather/new bot, go through the questions and answer them, and then your bot is created. Once your bot is created, botfather will respond and you need to record the API token. I've got it blocked out here, but this is where you'd find the token. Next, create a group, add the bot to the group. Once the bot is added, add getMyID to the group. GetMyID will simply return your user ID and your current chat ID, and your current chat ID is what is important. You can then remove getMyID from the group. Now, once your code is uploaded and it is running on your chip, if you hit /start, then it's going to respond with your available commands, and from then on, if you hit /on, it's going to set your relay to on and respond with a confirmation message, and similarly if you hit /off, it will respond appropriately. Let's now take a look at the Arduino libraries. So these are the Arduino libraries that you need to install. I'm not going to go through how to do it. I'm assuming that you know how to do that, but without these libraries you will not be able to compile your code. You could go through the Arduino built-in library manager and install it. However, there may be some libraries that you may have to install manually. And then on the code, you need to just replace the SSID for your Wi-Fi and the password. Enter the token that your bot token that botfather provided, and then enter the chat ID, and that is it. So you can download the code from the link below. And I just want to give credit to the Universal Telegram bot library from Brian Lowe, and also the code to Rui Santos. I have adapted his code, so thank you to Rui Santos from Random Nerds Tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe if you like this video, and like it as well. It really helps us. Thank you.